My name is Forkim.
Hey, sorry about that whole banished from the troop thing.
It's for the best. Troop Master Norton is a bad guy. Even though he says he's trying to find Brill Cream, he's not. I overheard him whisper something about Troop Master Brill Cream at the hot dog factory.
I hear this Brill Cream guy is really smart.
He's a genius.
A genius that might be trapped in a hot dog factory?
I'm worried. He's been missing for a couple of weeks.
We'll find him.
You mean I'll find him?
Someone has to stay here and comfort Forkim.
Right. Keep up the good work, Sam.
If you don't
trying to get out of this city, okay?
Sorry. Prepare to be amazed. Remember, all my fortunes are yours. That's my
Hey. You know that big parking garage in Old Little Tokyo? It's packed with all kinds of electronics we could totally use. But it's scab turf. You know what? You could lure some OD over there to help take care of the scabs. My sociology prof said passive-aggressive warfare is the future.
I have brilliant new designs for you. Allons-y.
So what's the deal with the hot dog factory? If you're trying to survive the apocalypse, hot dogs are the last thing you should eat.
Troop Master Brill Cream is a master at boosting morale.
Gandhi once said, an eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. I mean, I'm not saying you need to be Gandhi or the Dalai Lama or whatever. Just pointing out that sometimes there might be a more effective way of getting what you want. Other than shooting everything in the face, that is. To lure out the OD, you'll need to smash some vending machines and set off some car alarms. Look for more cars or vending machines. Fisgo agents are coming your way. Wait, You can use them to help clear everybody out. Nice, dude. Now clean up and get those electronics. Is so violent. But you did great. Go ahead and grab those electronics.
Okay, I'm at the hot dog factory.
Look around for signs of Troopmaster Brooklyn.
Scabs. And it looks like they decided to upgrade their arsenal.
Where did they get those new weapons? They're not smart enough to design them on their own. You might have to deal with some scabs while you look for evidence.
You think? Found a Japanese sword. Not something a troop leader would have.
Yeah, seems weird, doesn't it? But it could be Brill Cream's. He never went anywhere without it.
I feel like that could have been useful intel to have at the top of this caper.
But we need more evidence.
Huh. A troop leader's hat. Seems like something a troop leader would wear.
That could be Brill Cream's. He was always wearing his hat. I think we just need one more piece of evidence.
You guys sure do things by the book, don't you?
Troopmaster Brill Cream teaches us that discipline is the most important virtue.
Discipline. Yeah, I'm unfamiliar with that word. Found a bugle. Now that would only be something a troop leader would have, right?
Brill Cream carried a bugle sometimes, but I'm not sure why he would have brought that with him.
Yeah, you're right. This could be anyone's bugle.
Okay, I'm convinced. Either Brill Cream is here, or he was here. You should check inside the factory.
I'm gonna smash your
trained survivalist. He may have locked himself inside. See if you can find a way to bust down a door, or even a wall. Is there any construction equipment around? Anything that might help you get inside?
No keys. Wait, cranes have keys? Huh. What would Batman do? Probably read this note out loud. Meet me in the park for a picnic. I love you. Well, that's helpful. Guess I'm going to the park to look for some keys. And maybe even have a date. Hey, poor Kim. Sam's not being too annoying, is he?
Not anymore. He kept trying to hold my hand, so I put my judo badge into action and snared him in a rear naked choke.
Nice. But go easy on him. I get the sense he doesn't have much experience with the ladies.
Well, he's been a perfect gentleman since. He showed me around, I met his friends. He even taught me how to do a little C++ coding.
Wow. You should invite me to the wedding. I love free food.
Wait, what?
Okay, I found the picnic site. Looks like the crane guy either turned OD or was mauled. Damn, I need those keys to the crane.
If we're lucky, he turned OD. Go kill some and see if any of them have the key.
Ah, that's what I need. Fisco bots. If the crane operator turned OD, he's probably in this park somewhere. Look like any car key I've ever seen. But if this doesn't start the crane and I have to keep running around killing OD and looking for keys, I'll probably rage quit. Hey, poor Kim, you there?
Yes? Did you find the key?
Yeah, but I have something more important to talk about.
Okay.
So what do you think of Sam? Really?
I don't know why, but he kind of reminds me of this class turtle we had in 4th grade. We set him free in the ocean one day. Then we found out later that he was a freshwater turtle.
Don't tell Sam that story. take advantage of this. When am I gonna get a chance to destroy stuff in a crane again? Damn it, those pallets were actually overcharged deliveries. Now this place is about to be stupid with OD. Good thing I have godlike crushing power. I better crush those OD before they turn into poppers. About 1,000 ocean rules, but at least I'm having fun. Smash open that wall and see if real cream's inside. Found a note from Brill Cream. It's dated 2 weeks ago.
What does it say?
It says, hot dogs spoiled, heading to Hepcats to meet Norton. Scabs on my trail, we'll try to lose them.
Let's meet at Hepcats and look for more clues. I knew Norton was involved somehow.
A deadly boomerang that slices through enemies, then comes back. Keep moving so it damages enemies on the return flight too.
Troop Master Norton.
Hey, Norton. How's that search for Brill Cream going?
Not good. I believe it's time to call it out.
Not yet. I'm following up on a lead.
Oh?
I found a note from Brill Cream. He said he was going to meet you at Hepcat's Diner. Whatever happened with that?
Well, as I recall, he never showed up. Where did you find that note?
Look at mine, Norton. What are you hiding?
How dare you! A troop master never lies. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have important troop matters to attend to. Meet me at trouble.
On my way.
Up here! Hurry! Poor Kim just left. She said those smoke signals at the train station could be Brill creams. But I saw a bunch of scabs going after her. You gotta get up there.
Wait here.
I'm trying to contact Kim, but her phone is dead. Oh, I hope she's okay.
She probably turned her phone off. Either that or she's sick of your constant texting. Did she at least go armed?
She's always prepared. She had a baseball bat and a book on how to tie knots.
Clever girl. I'm at the bottom of the station. Looks like a whole scab legion is occupying this place.
Hey, I'm assuming that's you downstairs.
Yes, it's me. Being me.
Good. Keep doing what you're doing. You're a very good distraction. The scabs are leaving the platform. This is my chance to rescue Broker.
Can you see him?
No, but the SOS signal is coming from the train on the platform.
Oh my god. Are you saying that he turned into a train?
I'm going in.
Oh my god! Are you saying that he turned into a train?
What's Kim doing?
She said she was going to check out the train. Haven't heard from her since. She's probably dead.
What?
I guess there's a chance she's still alive. I won't know until I get up to the platform.
Get her on the train and don't hurt her. He'll want her alive.
Brooklyn's not here! It's a...
Crap! Thrusters? In a train with thrusters?
Any news?
Not really. Brill Cream's not here. Kim's trapped on a runaway train with a gang of scabs, and I'm driving down the track after it, jumping over bombs being hurled my way.
Okay. Carry on.
Can't let that train get out of my sights. Back on its ass. Oh yeah, those thrusters don't look too safe. A few bullets in its belly could create a nice fireworks show. Need to get a beat on those thrusters. That'll slow the train down. Holy shit! See you later, suckers! One down, two to go.
Whoa! A train car that landed outside our base!
Correct?
I meant you had something to do with it?
Correct.
I assume Kim is in another car?
Correct. Actually, I don't know. You might want to go check the wreckage.
Oh, God.
I'll find some ammo. Come on, blow up, you bastard!
No more.
Brill cream is in a garbage truck, but they didn't know where.
Truck, huh? The whole garbage system is automated. The trucks are equipped with GPS transmitters. If you come back to our base, I might be able to figure out a way to track it down.
Okay, cool. I'm on my way. Wait, how do we communicate with Sam when neither of us is holding a phone?
You know, technology.
Technology.
Let's not complicate things by poking holes in the way we deliver the story, okay?
Oh, okay then. I'm gonna go back to the base and be magically gone by the time you have control.
Fine by me. That's not weird at all.
Hey, man, I found a new place to set up shop. More square footage, better feng shui. Come on over whenever you get a chance.
I learned a few other things while I was interrogating those scabs. They said they were working with Norton. He was supplying them with plans for upgraded weapons in return for protection.
Asshole! Bet he sent them to the train station as soon as he hung up with me.
I would go kick his butt right now, but he has the rest of the troop on his side. The only way we're going to win them over is to find Brill Cream and return him to the troop.
We're working on that right now. I need to do some research into the garbage truck system. Their signals are analog. Ugh, tough to track down.
Call me when you figured it out.
You bet.
I don't know who to root for.
Hey, I need to work on my maritime badges, scabs on the whole waterfront. Can you run them out of there? Permanently?
You know about scabs. You get rid of them and the next day they've all just respawned. Unless... Okay, I got an idea. First things first, I need to find a herker. But it needs to be a really ugly one. Hey there, big guy. Sorry, but I gotta kill you and take your head. Don't worry. Come on. out to the waterfront. Time to scare these scabs off. Permanently.
Ah! What the hell is that?
Hey, scab! I'm gonna eat you alive!
What the fuck is that thing?
Motherfucker!
Come on, boys! If it bleeds, we can kill it! It bleeds and we can't kill it!
I'm gonna eat your liver with some lima beans and a nice soda!
We can take it if we stand together! What the fuck is that thing?
This is my turn!
No! It's an abomination!
Stay away from the waterfront or I'll come back.
The horror! The horror! You scared them all away. They're never coming back after that. Thank you so much.
Sure thing. It was fun. I guess it backfired a little. Back off! I'm not one of you!
think of the place? Don't worry, you can still go back to the brewery if you want. But this base will let us brew some new amps. I installed another vat, so make sure you check in on both vats often. We got ourselves a nice corner spot here, but that means we'll need to protect the base from 2 angles. Like I said, we got 2 vats now, which means better amps, but more vigilance, you know? The vats all pull from the same source, so we'll lose overcharge if either one gets attacked. Remember to use your traps, and you should do just fine, for the most part.
Torso shot. Come closer. Hello, sir. Look at you. You're beautiful.
Some intro. Expectations are set. You better not fuck this up.
Amps faster, or is that like asking a genie for more wishes?
done. Right on! I knew you had it in you all along. Ha-ha! Yeah, man! You rock this new base! Look at you!
Yeah, we make a pretty good team, don't we?
Go give those amps a spin.
Compensate for your lack of accuracy with this shotgun-style weapon, which sets enemies on fire! Exploding teddy bears are so much better than regular teddy bears, especially when they explode on impact. You'll feel lucky using this hand cannon to send punch-ass enemies to the grave! Physical media is still good for something. These vinyl records bounce off objects and can hit multiple enemies with the same shot! Represent!
Hey man, I think I figured out a way to upgrade these vats. See, if we add some Freon-based cooling actuators and reverse the ionic charge of blah 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 science and bullshit, just go find some old refrigerators and bring me some spare parts.
Take your picture and share it with the world. Sure, you'll regret it later, but you can always pay us to have your picture removed. Insert your credit card now.
be able to make some even more kick-ass amps. They'll be kick-assier, or kicker-assier, or assier kick. They'll be, shut up, you know what I mean?